Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day, every trading day, and often 12 hours a day in the studio. And the purpose of that is to be the most honest and real YouTube channel in the world. I have two, this one and my music channel. I go live because it's the best way to build a community. Not the best way to make the most money, but I'm here primarily to support people, help people, and build the most honest, real channel in the world. I noticed we have some guests from Dubai today, so I'm going to welcome our guests in from Dubai. And we'll move over to that screen and we'll do that again so we can get our friends in Dubai to hear our message. Let's do that again. Just bear with me. Here we go. So we'll read out this message. I just translated it from, in Dubai. Here we go.
نرحب بجميع ضيوفنا من دبي.
There we go. Welcome our guests from Dubai today.
نرحب بجميع ضيوفنا من دبي.
There we go. And that is in Arabic. Thank you very much indeed for joining us this afternoon. Okay, here is my live position. I will share with you all my live positions. This is my real money, my real trades, all of it. I share every single thing I have here for everyone to see. The purpose is you're watching me from $5,000 up to where I am today. There's my brokerage account. This is all my money in the world. I only have $1,500 in my savings, $1,500 in my checking account. That is it. I gave up touring. I'm the world piano man. I've toured all over the world, as the world piano man. And now I'm here to build the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. That is my aim. I'm trying to translate these comments as they come in from our guests in Dubai. Trade the pristine orbit at all times. Better luck next time for the UK space program. The company collapsed when Burt Rutten retired. Thank you very much indeed for your comments. Ali can't speak Arabic, can he? I wouldn't have thought so. I don't know. No idea. Anyway, there's my Roth IRA. And there is my total balance, just below 49,000 right now. Let's go through all the stocks and see where we are right now. Okay, this is a show until the bell. Then I've got to go because I'm getting my computer hopefully fixed today, going down to Apple and finding out what is going on with my computer. All right, here is the S&P, is down 0.76. And Craig, how are you this afternoon? Let's bring all the comments on the screen. How is everybody? Matty, gold price reaching all-time highs. No, I can't speak Persian, says Sensei Crypto, formerly known as Ali Tizro, just so we all know. Craig, good afternoon to you. Welcome, Mustafa. Welcome to you. 22 is here. Who else have we got here this afternoon? Eric B is here. Has anyone seen my Lambo? It's green with the Martyn Lucas crystal ball on the hood. I love it. Bill is here as well. Welcome, Bill. Where are you in the world, Mustafa? He is in Dubai. Here we go. Welcome our guests in from Dubai.
نرحب بجميع ضيوفنا من دبي.
Okay, Virgin Galactic popped up a little bit and fell straight back down again. It's not really worth my while buying this dip, I'm afraid. If I'm going to buy it, I'm going to buy it at 2. I think it could go bankrupt now. Virgin Orbit, see someone called this morning and said they made themselves a couple of thousand by buying, was 130,000 shares or something like that. It went up from 14 to 16, but it's straight back down. It is gambling. If anyone does that, it is gambling. I'd rather buy the S&P for $300 than buy a share of Virgin Orbit. It makes no sense at all. It doesn't make any sense to me at all. Just having one of those crappy days where everything is going wrong. I know we get those days all the time, Craig. Tell me all about it. Matty, what do we see space price after the Iranian flight? What Iranian flight? I know nothing about an Iranian flight. I know nothing about that at all. Matty, I don't understand your question. Repeat it again. Rivian is up 0.03. We have Tesla now 190. I'm going to buy it at 150. That's where it belongs. It's overpriced. Doesn't matter how good the company is, it's overpriced. Lucid. Apple, I'm holding my Apple position. Amazon, 103 now. It's one of the biggest parts of my portfolio. It's 15%. Hi, Martin and the viewership. Hello, how are you? What company put the wrapping paper on Eric's Lamborghini? This is what Mustafa just said. Let me translate it for you. Here we go. This is what Mustafa just said. Okay, this is what Mustafa just said.
ما الشركة التي وضعت ورقة تغليف على لامبورغيني إيريك؟
What company put the wrapping paper on Eric's Lamborghini? Did you say you think Virgin Galactic will go bankrupt now? Virgin Galactic could go bankrupt. Yes, it could. It's only got less than a year or so of money to run, and with Virgin Orbit now failed and Virgin Hyperloop failed, it's just Richard Branson, I think, is running out of steam. He's not making any appearances. He's not making comment. We've now got people blaming the management. I blame the management of Virgin Orbit because their presentation was abysmal, and I offered to work for Virgin Orbit. I could have fixed it, but too late now. Hi, Martin in the viewership. ETORO, good morning to you. Did you say Virgin Galactic could go bankrupt? Yes, I did. Sorry, Italian flight. Italian flight. Sensei. The pronunciation hurts every time. Sensei, thank you. Did I get it right now? Sensei. Thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate the super chat. Let me see if I can do a celebration for that. My computer is still going very slow. Sensei. I've got it right now. Sensei, right? That's dead right now. Anyway. Thank you very much indeed. And sorry for the mispronunciation. I want to get it right, obviously. Anyway, let's carry on. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, there it is. Rivian, Tesla. I'm going to buy it at 150. Lucid, I'm going to buy it 6. Apple, down 0.42. Amazon now 1.39. Not go bankrupt this year. We are fine for a year. Yes, but they could easily bring the curtain down if they think it's not going to pay off. Remember, I did that with my business. I decided, to end it. So just need to bear that in mind. It could easily happen. Don't think for a minute. That's it. Just because they've got money for a year, that doesn't really mean anything. They can still go bankrupt. Listening to the news, Virgin Galactic is next. Virgin Galactic is next. You're listening to the news right now, are you? Okay. Amazon today, 3.92. I'm making some really good money now on Amazon. I said it was one of the best value stocks you could buy at $88, and it certainly is. That's at 1.47. Brilliant. It's 15% of my portfolio. McDonald's, all-time highs, getting extremely expensive. There you go. There's my super chat. Thank you very much indeed, Sensei. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you very much for that. Appreciate you very much indeed. That's a super chat from formerly Ali Tizro, Sensei now. I'm really struggling with that Japanese, right? There you go. Coca-Cola today is down 0.34, but I'm still up 3.46. Very nice indeed. It's 5% of my portfolio. J&J continue to go up. That's the cheer for Sensei and his super chat he just gave me. Look at that. We're seeing J&J go up again. Still down 4.97 in my main account, but in my Roth IRA, you can see it's nearly in the money now. Nearly in the money. We're down 1%, nearly there. Nitz Fareld, Muln. If any of my members want to look at Muln, any of my members, I will flag it up and we'll look at it. It's a members thing. Google is up 0.17. I bought more VU today. VU, yep, very nice indeed. Microsoft, I'd like to get some more there. The S&P 500, for me, it's still too expensive because I'm already in. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm up $700. I mean, it's like, it's the best return I've ever had. It's fantastic. Look, I'm up, as you look at it on the screen, look, I'm up nearly I'm up $700. 4.74. The highest I've ever been is 6%. So I'm extremely happy with that. Really happy. But if I'm going to buy some more, because it's already 41% of my portfolio, I will buy some more when it goes down. But it has to go down like 6% before I buy any more. What's your average? On the screen, you can see it right there. 358. On my brokerage account, it's 358. On my Roth IRA, it might be lower. Let's have a look. On my Roth IRA, it is. On my Roth IRA, it is. Let me just wait for it to come up on the screen. 355. So it's very, 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 very close. But there you go. I'm up 5.5% on my Roth IRA. But yeah, I want to buy it at 350. It might not go there again, but you know, we like to always pick up discounts, and we don't. You know, we're enjoying it go up. And I've got 34 shares of it now. So you know, that's a good position, right? 34. No, more than that. 43. 44, 45 shares. It's a huge part of my portfolio overall. Anyway, Nitzvereld, VOD, bull myself. I'm not sure what you mean. Matty Space will surprise us all in a few days. You think so? Well, I've been having people come into my show for months and months and months, telling me it's flying tomorrow, it's going to be great tomorrow, it's going to be little surprises tomorrow. Just guessing, just reading Reddits, just reading posts on Reddits. When I get my information, I get it directly from Virgin Galactic employees, people who work there, people who message me, tell me what's going on. I don't get it from Reddit. But so that's why I've got nothing great to say, I'm afraid. I'm not reading my information from keyboard warriors who are sitting in their mum's bedroom making up stories, telling the world just because it sounds good. That's not where my information comes from. Right, Virgin Orbit is down 28% today, kept on going down. Rivian, Tesla, Andrew Grady, Sensei, crypto now. What, you're worse than Prince with name changes. I know. What's he like? Well, better do it now than any other point, because we're building our channel, and Ali's a partner of my channel. He sponsors my channel. He wants to grow his crypto. He wants to grow his Discord. Do it now is the right time. We all make one adjustment. You remember I was Martyn Lucas. Martyn Lucas, the day trader. I'm now Martyn Lucas Investor. It's much better. You need to just, work out what you're doing, and the sooner you can work that out, the better. Tesla now down 2%. It's starting to get interesting. It's not there yet, though, I'm afraid. If we look at Tesla, it's now down this week 1.22. If we look at Tesla over the month, it's down 2.64. If we look at it over 3 months, Tesla is down over 3 months. I beg your pardon. It's up 75%. That's good, very, very good. However, if we look at it over a year, it's a very different story. It's down 47%. I'm still waiting for it to go lower. I've got some at 110. And I would have liked to have bought more at the time, but I was clearing margin, and I'm glad I did. Good afternoon, Stephen Lewandowski. Oh, hang on a minute. Our competition, has it ended? I nearly forgot. In fact, I did forget, didn't I? 76 minutes left. So it ends, all right, okay, it ends in an hour and a half. Okay. All right, 75 minutes left. Okay, I need to amend that then because I want it to change during this show. So let me go into the competition and make an adjustment. Edit. I want it to end in the next 15 minutes so we can test our service out. The 1 hour clock isn't right. They've got it wrong. We are 6 behind and Central America, and I'm afraid they haven't updated that time correctly. So anyway, it says it ends at 2:30, so I'm going to have to change that now to 1:30 because it's not right. Let me change that. 1:30. Okay, save. Okay. So now I'll update it. And that should be in 15 minutes. Let me have a look. Okay. There we go. That's better. That's where it needs to be. Right. We're running a test because we're about to do our best ever cash giveaway. So I want everyone to test this out and let me know your thoughts and experiences. We're going to launch the giveaway on Sunday in the newsletter. There will be benefits for having the newsletter. You'll be able to earn extra points, of course. If you don't get the newsletter, you'll miss out. It's our biggest ever giveaway times 10 and times 100 giveaway for our services. It's our best ever giveaway. If you want to test it out, you've got 14 minutes left to go. If you want to be part of the beta testing, there it is. I'll put it on the screen right now so you can see it. Here it is. This is the competition. We've got 13 minutes left to run. There it is. This is a test for our next Martyn Lucas Investor giveaway. We've added new features. There are 23 ways to win. So you've got an opportunity to do 23 things. If you've not done them all, do them now. Test it out. 13 minutes left to go for our giveaway. This is a test, and then we start the real test on Sunday in the newsletter. Okay, if you don't have the newsletter, ask me and I'll give it to you. Okay. Let's have a look. The Silver Surfer sounds good, Crag. Andrew Grady. I missed the day trader. Why? Nothing has changed. Nitz Farrell, nothing has changed. I still day trade. I still scalp trade. Absolutely nothing has changed. This channel is now bigger than it was the day trader. It's all the branding is the same. You can Google me and find me this way. It works much better this way. Why would you prefer the old way? Let me know. What's the reason behind it? Anyway, I could be rocket ship surgeon. Good day, Martin and everyone. Jeffrey Diamond, how are you? ETORO, hi Jeffrey. Is the beta test prize a free mug? No, there is no prize. It says there's no prize. Stop messing around. Stop messing around. What are you like? Here we go. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Thank you. And Twitter and LinkedIn and Facebook. Welcome to all of you. Now then, we are still running a poll. It ends today. It's only a 1 day, 17 hours left. Virgin Orbit files for bankruptcy. Will you scalp trade this stock today? One of you did. One of you, 21% of you, have done it. There's 14 votes. If you'd like to be part of, like to follow me on Twitter and be part of our poll, please do follow me. It's a backup for the channel. There is the Twitter poll. As you can see here, look, there are 14 votes, 78% no, and 21% said yes. Please take part in the poll. But more importantly, I would like to know why. Why do you think you are scalping it? You have to be extremely brave to do that, because our friend here today did exactly that. 130,000 shares, bought at 14 and sold at 16 here. But then look what followed. Because the moment you might think, right, I've got a load of money, I could influence a stock. You buy it, it pops up, but remember, everybody else has limit orders at 1 cent, 2 cent higher. So they're ready to sell it. So, you know, it's all very well saying, I'm going to sell it at 16, but everybody else sells it at 16. It might drop before you get it to that. And that's if you have the power to influence the stock. Well, of course, then once everyone dumped it, it got dumped again and down. And now it came down to 12. So you've got to be very, very careful on a company that's going bankrupt. Very, very careful, because nobody wants it anymore. Anyway, I think the day trader was a better name, more catchy. Yeah, but it wasn't searchable, and other people were the day trader. I was the day. I mean, my URL was at the day trader 1. I couldn't even be the day trader. There's some other guy who's got at the day trader on YouTube that never makes a video, that never goes live, that never does anything. Just got it years ago and left it. Absolutely crazy, right? But unfortunately, that's how it is. And if you want your entire branding on Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, you want the same name across the whole brand. That means if you use your own name, you're more likely to be able to do that. So that's what I've done. Anyway, hi Tio, Jeffrey Diamond, how are you today? Tell me all about it. How are you? Bill, I don't have the patience for it. I'm too stressed right now to focus. Yeah, I wouldn't scalp trade it either. I think it's just gambling, Bill. Completely pointless gambling. It can make money, but this morning when we spoke to our guest from, I think, Dubai, he made like $2,000, but he had to put about $30,000 in. Would you gamble $30,000 on a stock that's gone bankrupt, that keeps going down to zero, for $2,000? No, I'd rather put my 30 grand in the S&P 500. I'd make $2,000 without any stress, risk whatsoever. I think, to be honest, that trade was crazy. That trade worked out for him. He went from here to here, but it was purely gambling, and you had to put a serious amount of money to make any money at all. He made $2,000, but he had to invest 30,000. I think it was 33 grand. And look, what if it had gone down here? He'd have lost like 10 grand. Look, it's going down again. There's no point. People are doing it thinking it's how to get rich. It isn't. If he'd have put that 30 grand on the S&P 500 and left it alone, he could have made way more than $2,000. It might have taken a year or two, but at least he could have guaranteed his money and got a dividend payment. Whereas this, it's like walking into a casino. Anyway, I think it's crazy. Makes sense. Yeah, because everywhere my name is the same name everywhere. Martyn Lucas on Google. You can search me. It makes sense, right? Then I can build a brand. Can't build a brand if you're all over the place. Do we know why it is not already much lower, like 1 cent? Why? Because people are scalp trading it. If everyone sold it, it'd be 1 cent. But people still think there's an opportunity to make some money. That's why. Now, people who, if you think about it, the guy who bought it here for 13 or 14, sold it at 16. Somebody paid 16. Think about that for a minute. All right, he sold 130,000 shares of Virgin Orbit at 16. Somebody bought 130,000 shares, not just one person, it could be thousands. But people bought it at 16. They bought it at 16. Now they're thinking, well, it's 13. It's only 3 cents away. It's only 3 cents away. It's 10% lower. It's 10% lower. And that's the trouble. People go, well, it's only 3 cents. It's only 3 cents. Yeah, but it's 10%. It's not going to go up 10%, is it? So if it does, it'll be dumped as fast as it went up. So that's the thing. It's just gambling. People like to gamble. Have you been to Apple Store yet? I'm going straight after the show today. Straight after the show, I'm going. He should have scalped the S&P, get caught out, just hold. Yeah, just hold the S&P for 5 years. I mean, it's easy. Mustafa has got a comment here. No gambling. I scalp trade by watching the spread, order book, level 2, and have tight stop losses. I use level 2, Mustafa. Hang on. That's Mustafa's comment. It is gambling. I wish him the best. It's good, but it is gambling. Thank you, Mustafa, for your comments. I am very pleased that you made money. However, I also have Market 2 data, and anyone knows it is manipulated. It's not a guaranteed fact for a direction in the stock price. Congratulations on this time. However, it is gambling.
شكرا لك مصطفى على تعليقك. أنا مسرور جدا لأنك ربحت أموالا، ولكن لدي أيضا بيانات من ماركت وأي شخص يعرف أنه تم التلاعب بها. إنها ليست حقيقة مضمونة لاتجاه في سعر السهم. تهانينا في هذا الوقت، ولكنها مقامرة.
Hang on a minute, I just cut off the last sentence. I apologize. I cut off the last. There's my Market 2 data. The Market 2 data is no guarantee of a stock price movement. I've studied it, checked it. That would dictate there more people are selling it. It doesn't mean to say it's guaranteed going down from here. To say I've got Market 2 data and that is how I knew it was going to go up. No. Because at the moment after he traded it, it went straight back down again. Let me go back to this comment here because I just cut the end of the sentence off and I didn't want to do that.
شكرا لك مصطفى على تعليقك. أنا مسرور جدا لأنك ربحت أموالا، ولكن لدي أيضا بيانات من ماركت وأي شخص يعرف أنه تم التلاعب بها. إنها ليست حقيقة مضمونة لاتجاه في سعر السهم. تهانينا في هذا الوقت، ولكنها مقامرة.
So there we go. I was just explaining to Mustafa, we can differ in our trading styles. Yeah. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. You've got more money than me, so I have to be a lot more careful. But I wish you the very best.
نعم، يمكننا الحصول على أموال أكثر مني، لذا يجب أن أكون أكثر حرصا، ولكن أتمنى لك الأفضل.
Okay. Please vote on my Virgin Orbit poll on Twitter. The link is below.
يرجى التصويت على استطلاع الرأي الخاص بي في فيرجن أوربيت على رابط تويتر أدناه.
There you go. There's my link for the poll. Right, we got 1 minute to go before our competition ends. This is our test competition. Here we go. Look, if everyone watches, this is how it will be. This is our test competition. 101 seconds to go, 99 seconds to go. See it counting down? This is how we'll do our competition. All right. And 199 chances to win. 200 now. There we go. 84 seconds to go. This is where we'll do our competition. So you can see here, this is how it works. Virgin Orbit's going up slightly. 68 seconds to go. There you go. See how it'll end? And then the system will choose a winner, randomly pick a winner, and the more entries you have, the more chance you have to win. And then it should be announced here on the competition page. All right, so 36 seconds left. You can see top right. This is our beta testing, so we make sure it works okay. I will share your channel in my investment WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that.
شكرا جزيلا لكم حقا اقدر ذلك.
3, 2, 1. Here we go. The competition has ended. The competition has now ended. So the competition, there you go, has ended. You can see it there, look. So it's all done and dusted. So if you refresh the page, this is our beta testing to see how it works. This competition now should have ended. There you go. As you can see, it's all done. There is nothing else to say there. So now what I do is we want to know who the winner is. So it's collecting all the information, and I can now find out who the winner is. And how I do that is I have this software here. The competition has ended. You can see that, look. And your competition is finished. So I need to pick a winner. Winners 0 of 1 winner picked. I need to draw a winner. All right. Draw winners. And this is where it'll give us a winner. This campaign does not have any winners. Use the draw button to draw winners. All right. So on the screen, we'll draw a winner. And we're doing this for the first time. One winner unpicked with 18 potential users that can win. 18 people took part. Some have more of a chance than others because you did more entries. And here we go. Winners 1. Click draw. The winner is Mike 166A. Mike is the winner. Mike has been picked as the winner. There you go. So Mike is the winner this time. And I can open the contestant there and we'll see who he is. And basically we will email Mike as the winner, and he has won this test competition. All right. Okay, Mike is the winner. So allow repeat winner. Allow repeat winner. What's a allow repeat winner? Not in this contest. That's for this contest. I bought more space, averaging down. Hello, Mike. You just won our competition. You won our very first competition, our test competition. There you go. All right. Just checking it now. Yeah, that's good. Winner. Repick. See, I can revoke if for some reason we couldn't give it to you, whatever. And Mike, I'm going to not to put your information on the screen. We're going to test this now. This should have generated an email. So I'm going to contact you now. Let's have a look. I think it's probably already done that. Announce winner. Right, announce winner in the widget. Okay. All right. So Mike, going to test this now. Test. Do you get the email? You have won. I'm sending you a test email. Okay. Here is your email coming from me now. Okay, Mike, I have sent you a test email. So hopefully you've now received that. Announce winner. Announcing the winners in the widget will show the image option, give a name of the winning entry. There we go. Announce with avatars. Yep. Announce with avatars. There we go. Announce. Are you sure? Yes. I want to announce it. Okay. If we now go back to the page, the winner should be announced. Let's refresh the page, and we should see it in there now. It might take a while to load. I don't know. This is the first time we're doing it. Yeah, it's going to take it'll take a little while for it to come through. I expected that to happen. When we did it the first time, when we tested it, it took a while. But so refresh the page. But the winner is Mike. Now, Mike, you've just been sent an email. If you could check the email to see if you've received the email. It's not come through the winner yet. It might take a few minutes for that to generate, but I've done it anyway. Too bad Edon didn't buy up Virgin Galactic. He was never going to do that. I'm a risk taker, mountain climber too, free solar, Jeffrey Diamond. I've just got it. There you go. So there you go. You got the email. That was the announcement, so we can contact our winners, and that's how we do it. Brilliant. There you go. Mike just got his email. Fantastic. The email has been sent to you, and obviously it'd be announced. So if you never received the email, you'd come on into the show, and eventually we would be able to, contact you. But that's great. Okay. Now then, let me check the widget again. Let me see if it's updated. We've got 20 minutes before the bell goes. It might take a few minutes. This is our test to see how it all works. Hopefully Mike will eventually appear on the website. Virgin Orbit's going up again. There we go. It has worked. If you look now on the website, there you go. The competition has ended, and as you can see, winning entry with 147 points. He had 147 points. So there you go. It shows you the benefit of doing as many options as possible. He had 147 chances to win, and Mike B wins. So there he is. All right, winning entry. So there you go. That's on the website. That works. That's a test. So I'm now we've done it. Now you've seen how it works. We're going to launch our best ever giveaway we've ever done. So now you've seen how it works. I'm going to run a poll now. Have we got everybody here? Yes, we got 34 watching. Yeah, we got nearly everybody here. So do you like this competition more or less than the old style? All right, old style. So there you go. Do you like this competition more or less than the old style? Do you like this competition more or less than the old style? Okay. So if you like it, I like it more. I like it less. The idea is we can do bigger bigger competitions because we can do a lot more with it. And hopefully it's more engaging, more fun for you. You can follow it. It's always in the same place on the website. You can get engaged with the show. It helps the show more. So that's why I'm asking. Do you like this competition more or less than the old style? The old style before, if you remember, we just asked you to leave a comment and we picked one. Okay? Do you like this competition more or less than the old style? I like it more. I like it less. There you go. There is the poll. Sensei. Let's have a look. A lot of work for an email. Bill. What do you mean, a lot of work for an email? Next week, we're giving a cash prize bigger than we've ever done before. We're giving a service 100 times bigger than we've ever done before. The total value of the prize is in excess, way more than $1,000 we're giving away. And that's too much work. All right, well, then don't enter it then. Don't enter it if you don't want to win a value of $1,000 plus. Don't enter it. Okay, that's your choice. All right. Mike who says Ali Isles. Oh no, it's not the one. I was reading the headline. Oh no, it's not the one. I was reading the headline. I don't know what you mean, Mike. So the person who does the most wins. No, the one who does the most has the most tickets. You have the most tickets. It's not the one who does the most at all. It's the one who's randomly picked. You might win for doing one thing, but Mike had more chances. That's all that means. And I will share with you what I mean. Let's have a look. I will show you the competition and the top users. Right. Here we go. Look. Okay. I'll share with you right now. Here we go. Mike was actually the second. Ali Tizro was number one. Look. Okay. Ali Tizro did 23 actions. 23. Mike did 20. Mike did 20, but he beat Ali Tizro because it was not how many actions he did. It was just he had 20 entry tickets. So he had more chance to win because he had more entry tickets. But Ali had 23. Ali didn't win. So it's not the one who does the most. It's the one who gets randomly picked. But Mike had a lot more chances to win because Mike did a lot more things. So there we go. All right. Okay. Time to end our show in 15 minutes time. No, Martin misspoke, Ali. He didn't have that many entries. Sensei, he didn't have that many entries. Vorb rocketed up to 15 cents. Oh yeah. Oh, thanks, Sensei Crypto. Not sure it's a good idea to allow more than one entry per person. Why do you say that? Not sure it's a good idea to allow more than one entry per person. Why do you say that? If a person wants to do more and wants to take more, they shouldn't get an advantage. Why not? If I said to you, do you want to buy a lottery ticket? Do you want to buy one lottery ticket or do you want to buy 1,000 and you bought 1,000? It's free to enter. It doesn't cost any money to enter. Why should the person who does more have more tickets? What that make any sense? That was the raffle number picked. Sensei, I don't know what you mean. That was the raffle number picked. Raffle number picked. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. When I said 188 or whatever, yeah, that was the raffle ticket. That was right. That was the ticket. Yes, correct. Yes, That makes sense. Correct. There were 200 tickets given out, and he was number 188. That's right. That's right. I beg your pardon. Yeah, I tend to agree. Some people only have one platform to use, so they. What do you mean? Only have one platform to use? No, they don't. No, they don't. You're not following yourself on Twitter. You're following me on Twitter. If you choose not to follow me on Twitter, that's your choice. If you're choosing not to watch my video, that's your choice. If you're saying I don't want to watch you on TikTok, that's your choice. You don't have to do it. You don't have to do it. Good luck to everyone. I wish you all the best of luck. I didn't get it yet. Mike, you didn't get the email. The email was sent to you with the email that you provided. And if you don't get the email, it's gone into your junk folder. So you need to look in your junk folder. I couldn't collect anyway. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Because the prize that's coming up is a service that anyone in the world can collect. Doesn't matter where you live, Bill. And the cash that can be sent to you also you can claim. So, no, that's wrong, Bill. You can win it, but you said it's not worth it, so that's fine. Don't know if you answered my question. Sorry as my phone went. Keaton S., ask me again. I didn't see a question from you. Answer me again and I'll answer it. I don't see a question. If you repeat it again, I will answer. Keaton S., ask me again, please. Mike deserves to win. Well, he had more tickets. He had more entries. I think most people will lose interest in trying to enter more than once, and it'll just be the same people winning each time who can't be bothered to keep entering, and the rest will give up. 22, we're giving a prize worth way over $1,000 away. If someone can't be bothered to enter a competition when only a small number of people enter to win $1,000 plus, they don't deserve to win. If we're giving a prize away of excess of $1,000 and no one can be bothered to enter, I can't be bothered to like you on Twitter, well then they're not a fan of the show. They don't want to win, and they shouldn't win, then should they? Mike wanted to win. He wanted to support the channel. He wanted to win the prize. So everyone's interested if it's $1,000 now, right? Flipping heck. Yes, it's worth over $1,000. What we're giving away on Sunday is worth over $1,000. Yes. There's a cash prize and a service worth way over $1,000. Yes. I will announce it in the newsletter on Sunday. There's no sound coming through on TikTok. I know why that is. I apologize. Thank you for letting me know. Mad Max, thank you. I'll fix it now. I know exactly why that is. It's right here. Here we go. I'll turn this on. Here we go. 1, 2. That's better. There, it's working now. I didn't have my my external sound card turned on. I do now. Okay. Mad Max, thank you for letting me know. I fixed it. Thank you very much, everybody. I fixed it. There you go. One more leg down and big banks will start shooting with the cash RPG at stocks and crypto. Mr. Clockwork, ouch. I choose to watch. ETORO, that's right. What I mean is some people don't have Twitter, some don't have TikTok, whatever, and you do, Martin. You won't please everyone. Haha, I'm excited to win. There you go. Of course, not everybody wants to enter all the tickets. They don't have to. Like I've said, a person with one ticket can win. But a competition is designed to reward people and also promote the very thing that it's doing. It's not a charity. I can't just dig up money out of the garden and give everybody money. The idea is I need you to watch my YouTube channel or watch my video. Some people here are saying, I want you to give me $1,000, but I don't want to do anything. That actually quite upsets me a little bit. That some people think, yeah, I want $1,000, but I don't want to do anything. I don't even want to watch. I just want you to give me $1,000. Well, that's horrible. I got a buy order at 10. Is that follow your soul? Good luck to you. Virgin Orbit, you bought it at 10. So are you selling it now if you bought it at 10? Oh, you've got a buy order at 10. You hope it goes to 10. Oh, I see. Okay. Be very careful. Be very careful. Because 10 to 1 is 99% drop. Just remember that. Missed the first portion of the stream, so apologise if you've already said. But even now, with it definitely going to 0, are you selling? Have you sold? I do not have any Virgin Orbit. No, I have 1 share. Just to keep it on the screen. There is my 1 share. Look, 1 share. I have sold. Yeah, I'm not gambling. This isn't Martyn Lucas Gambler. This is Martyn Lucas Investor. Hi, Martin and friends. Dewald Voslu, how are you this afternoon? Welcome, Dewald. Donald Trump's here. We got Donald Trump on the channel. Can you enter through 2 different emails? Channels. Oh, man. There's always someone trying to get round and scam it. Oh, my God. Yes, you can enter on different emails, but you've got to do the things again. So yes, you can. You can enter on different emails, but of course they are different tickets, they are different accounts. So if you want to enter on 2 different emails, you've got to, yes, you can. You can enter on as many emails as you like. And that's entirely up to you, yes. But you've got to do it. You'd have to do a lot of work, wouldn't you? Your TikTok sound is off, mate. TikTok is working now, Matthew, I believe. We fixed it a few moments ago. I think it's working now. It's all working, right? Okay. How is it valued at over $1,000? Well, I will tell you that when I announce the price. I haven't announced the price yet, have I? Just saw my space went south. It's because of Vorby. Yes, it's because of Vorb. Virgin Orbit has driven the price down. We're talking now to DeWaldo. Yes. You'll get the same people who have nothing else to do entering many more times than others, and so the others will give up. It's basic psychology. Well, honestly, if people, as my show gets bigger and I get bigger prizes, those that don't want to do anything, who just want money for doing nothing, well, then I hope they don't win. I hope they don't win. I want people that want to win to have the chance to win. If you're telling me that some people can't be bothered liking a post on Twitter or can't be bothered in commenting on a video, well, then don't bother entering the competition. Sit on the toilet and read the paper. I mean, I don't know. I mean, what can I say? That's like saying, I can't be bothered to buy a lottery ticket. I want to win, but I can't be bothered to buy. Well, then don't enter don't enter it then. Anyway, I have 5,000 shares. Should I be worried? In what? Virgin Orbit. I've sold my position. I'm out. The company filed for bankruptcy protection. 22. You are spot on. So for Drillion and 22, would you tell me how best to do it? How best to do it? You're telling me I should give away money to people for doing nothing and just, what, steal it? Rob it from my wife? Hey, Leah, can you give me $1,000? Everybody on my show wants some money. What am I supposed to do? All I'm asking you to do is like a video and leave a comment. How else am I supposed to do it? You tell me. I wouldn't be worried, says Follow Your Soul. I sat and entered all that I could. Took about half an hour or more to enter all. There you go. And next time will be even quicker. Next time, Mike, because you've already signed on. You've already signed up. So next time will be even quicker. If people don't want to spend a few minutes to try to win a prize, then that's up to them, isn't it? I don't think I don't do TikTok or Instagram, so I will never have enough entries to win. Eric, you don't have to enter every competition to win. Ali Tizro did more than Mike, and Mike won. It's not. You can enter with one ticket. It's like buying 100 lottery tickets. You can win with one ticket. Maybe, maybe not. The market is a bit red today in all the industries. Space is easy. Orbit is hard. Elon Musk. Space is easy. Orbit is hard. That's interesting. Eric B. All you need is one ticket to win. It's random. I know. That's what I keep telling people. I look at the junk mail and other emails but haven't received it. Well, I have sent it. Anyway, if the winner doesn't get the email, we will track them down. That's just emails, right? I hope it goes there. What, down to 10 cents? I don't. The lower it goes, the more likely it's going to zero. I would rather like the S&P 500, for example. I don't want the S&P 500 to go to 1 cent so I can buy the entire stock market. That makes no sense. I don't want the companies to all go bankrupt and just collapse so I can buy some. That makes no sense. I want a discount, but I don't want it for free. If it's free, it has no value. And who wants to buy a stock with no value? Everyone's concentrating on price. They're not concentrating on value. There's no value with Virgin Orbit anymore. It's going bankrupt. Why does everybody want to buy a bankrupt stock? I don't get it. I think it's a great idea, Martin. Support you and helps you grow for a few clicks of a mouse, and we might get a prize. Exactly. I mean, you buy a lottery ticket, you've got to walk down the shop to buy a lottery ticket. That takes more than 5 seconds, doesn't it? What do you think about Virgin Galactic now? Virgin Galactic now, Mad Max, I think potentially could go the same way as Virgin Orbit, because we're seeing it today. We're seeing all this scalp trading. That's what we're seeing. Very low volume, people scalp trading it, dropping it. No one's got any faith. Richard Branson's let himself down by not showing up, not making announcements. He did a deal that protected him. He's walked away with loads of money. He's walked away with the rocket, Cosmic Girl. He's lost nothing. I think people have lost faith. Sorry, Ali Isles? Absolutely. If you want to go to the effort of signing in 15 times, then yeah, you can. The more things that you do, the more chances you've got of winning. Doesn't mean you're going to win just because you do more things. Keaton S, I've also probably missed this, but what is the prize? I'm announcing it on Sunday in our newsletter. It's our biggest ever prize. It has a cash. It's actually worth at least $1,000. There's actually a cash prize as well as a service. I know what the prize is. Ali Isles. No, no, you don't. No one does. Nobody does. I've told no one. If you can be bothered to make different Twitter and Instagram and YouTube, of course you can. You can. Same with previous competitions. Careful you don't trigger the spam on the giveaway algorithmic. If you can be bothered to make different Twitter and Instagram or YouTube, of course you can. Same with previous competitions. Careful that you don't trigger the spam on the giveaway algorithmic. I'm not sure what that means, Ali. Sorry, Sinze. Space could go bankrupt as well. Of course it could. Of course it could go bankrupt as well. Okay, you've just answered. You haven't announced the prize. Yes, it'll be on Sunday in the newsletter, and then I'll be announcing it on videos as well. It's giving away 1 whole Bitcoin. Well, if I was, I'm not now, because it looks like no one could be bothered. So you got no chance. Be careful with space. I just hope Sir Richard will cut Vorb and invest more in space. I doubt it. I doubt it, Mr. Clockwork. Space, Dewell Voslu, Space, SPCE. You're missing the point, Martin. It's not a prize. It's work to win. And you'll get the same people winning each time, and eventually no one else will bother. Up to you. Just my opinion. Well, I can't make it where you haven't got to do anything, 22. I've not missed the point. If I make it that I'm giving away a great prize and no one has got to do anything, what is the point of giving a prize away? Do you think the National Lottery, when it sells tickets, don't make money for charities? Yes. They don't just get $1 million in tickets and give $1 million away. They do something to generate income, to benefit others, and to give away tickets, prizes. If I'm supposed to give away money without getting anything in return, and all I'm asking you to do is like a video, I mean, I don't get any money out of that either. Martyn, I will personally do whatever clicks to support your channel without any prices. We love you. Thank you, Drillian. Drillian's going to enter the competition. The point is, as we get 100,000 subscribers, which we are on target to do in 2 years, less than 2 years, I can give away a $10,000 prize. In fact, I'm going to ask the point right now. So 76% of you like it less. Okay. I'm going to ask you a question right now. Let's see this. Okay. Would you enter, would you enter and go to all this trouble? This will be interesting. If the prize was $10,000. Okay? Would you enter and go to all this trouble? Remember, all this trouble takes like 5 minutes. All right? If the prize was $10,000, would you enter and go to all this trouble if the prize was $10,000? And remember, you can win with just one ticket. You don't have to do any more than that. It's a random. Okay? Would you enter and go to all this trouble if the prize was $10,000? There you go. I'm going to ask you that question. See what you say to that. This is sick. You know that's how probability works. It's random. One ticket can win. Yeah, no problem with the process, but you should only be allowed to do each element once. You should only be allowed to do each element once. Well, you can only do each element once. You can't like it 50 times. Some stock markets game to win the prize. Some stock markets game to win the prize would be cool. Oh, some stock market games, you can only do one element once. Exactly. We are proper investors. We don't need prizes. Well, it's supposed to be a bit of fun, right? Money for nothing and his drugs for free. There we go. Chicks, I think you find it's money for nothing and chicks for free. Bill, Sensei crypto, but the person with more ticket is more likely to win than the person with less. Well, yeah, that's the same. Last night, the person who buys more lottery tickets is going to win more likely, right? I mean, just so everyone likes the prize, it works out maybe others. Yeah, it works out maybe others. Everyone they'll love the prize, Ed. Don't worry about that. Crypto looks safer than stocks nowadays, Mr. Clockwork. Yes, I think that's the point. If it isn't random, if someone has 10 tickets and the other person has 1 ticket, the person with 10 is 10 times more likely to win, obviously. Well, yeah, but that person wants to win and support the show. So what, they don't get any benefit for that? Right. So Mike really wants a channel to grow. He watches all my videos, but he shouldn't get nothing any more than the guy who couldn't care less, who's lazy arse and just sod all. Right, well, I vote for Mike. I vote for Mike. I tell you that right there. Yeah, obviously, if you're a true fan, you should have higher chance of winning. Just giving my opinion. I think it'll work top, begin with, and then people will get bored of the same people winning, who have the same time to keep entering. It takes no time at all. Not a random person who hops in once. And 22. I have a lot to do also, so I won't be that person you're talking about. Someone has nothing to do. Mike's got plenty to do. He just loves the show. If the idea is to get more people interested, I think 1 entry per person will have a wider appeal. People will soon realise that they are disadvantaged if they can't spend ages entering over and over again. No, you can't enter over and over and over again. You can't. It's 1 entry. I keep explaining that. Anyway, I'm going to give up my full-time job and sit all day long creating sock puppet email accounts to enter the competition hundreds of thousands of times. Well, good luck to you. But you remember, if you do that, you and O, you have to watch the video hundreds of times. You have to comment hundreds of times. It wouldn't be worth it. Why would you do that? Anyway, and if you do, good luck to you, because that'll be brilliant. Don't compete with Elon, Arnold the Palmer. The documentary all about Cornwall Virgin Orbit launch is on UK TV in May, I believe. I hope to be there. This is sick. I think you got the wrong idea. I think he has. Sensei, is there a limit to the amount of times a person can enter? No, because once you've liked the video, you've liked the video. You can't like it again. Once you've liked the post, you've liked the post. You can't like it again, can you? Yes, think time was 20. Somewhere as easy as going to YouTube homepage. I know, it takes like 1 second. How many hours a day does Martyn stream? 10. Is there a limit? Then that's not as bad as I thought. Finally. Yeah. Bloody hell. Ding, ding. The bell went 5 minutes ago. Donald Trump. Yes, I thought you were being extreme. All right. So, okay. This is where I think you have to really, as a YouTuber, read between the lines. I have just said, would you enter and go to all this trouble if the prize was $10,000? 62% said no. 62%. That's what I'm saying. What you've got here is FUD. Like on Reddit about people saying Virgin Galactic's flying today. I do not believe that poll. That poll says 63% of you do not think it's worth entering a competition to win $10,000 when all you've got to do is like one of my videos. You know I'm a real guy, right? And you know I get emotional and I put my heart and soul into this. I am upset by that. I'm upset by that. Genuinely, honestly, I'm upset by that. I am trying my hardest to grow the best, most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. And I have just asked the question, if I gave away $10,000, more money, like that's a fifth of the money I've ever had at any one point in my entire life away, and in return you've got to like a video, leave a comment on my website, literally 5 minutes of your life, and you have just said 67% say no, it ain't worth it. I'd be literally giving a fifth of my entire wealth away, and it's not worth you spending 5 minutes of your time. I'm honest with you. I'm offended by that. I'm deeply disappointed. I think that's horrible that 67% of you said, yeah, sod it. I can't be bothered. I couldn't be bothered for 10 grand. I honestly, I think, yeah, I know that 32% are my real friends and my real fans here. The other 68%, not so nice. Not so nice. Well, guess what? I'm not giving $10,000 away and would never be able to give $10,000 away because I could never grow my YouTube channel because no one wants to like the video for $10,000. That's what you're telling me. After 1.5 years of committing my life to this service, you're saying I can't be bothered to spend a couple of minutes. And remember, only 18 people were in that competition. You had a 1 in 18 chance of winning $10,000, hypothetically, in this poll, and you've got to spend 5 minutes of your time. Either no one cares about this channel, or everyone is super rich that couldn't care less about winning 10 grand to spend 5 minutes liking my video. I'm incredible. Incredible. It's not just an email you need 100. Exactly. Sensei telling you, yeah. If you try and scam it, you can't scam it. Like Sensei said, you can't have 100 emails because you would need 100 Twitter accounts and 100 Facebook accounts and 100 YouTube channels. You can't scam my system. You can't. It's the most fair way of helping people, and 67% saying they can't be bothered. Well, I'm honestly deeply upset by that. Don't give away anything then, Martyn. Yeah, I might stop doing it. Sod it. Full disclosure, I said yes in the vote. Yeah, let's. If you said yes, tell me that you said yeah. I want to know who said yeah. You don't have to put no. If you put no, I don't want to know. All right. If you said yeah, all right. Full disclosure, I said yes. It's okay, Martyn. You are a great person and a great heart. Ed, yeah. I tell you what, this has been one of the hardest broadcasts to do. I tell you that, comments like that, and it's going up. It's going up. The poll is now at 70%. The poll is now at 70%. Would you enter and go to this trouble if the prize was 10 grand? No. I wouldn't. I don't even want 10 grand. We are all here watching, commenting. Don't get so up on the competition. You want people to be here for you, not a bloody prize. Yeah. It's crazy. They don't want to enter. They don't want to enter. Allow us true fans to enter and have a better chance. I thought I was a friend. I thought you were a friend, Bill. I went out and did a gig for you and sent you $1,500 to help you buy a mobility scooter to help you get around. What did you do? You unsubscribed, unfollowed, everything, because you're having a hard time on the stock market. I'm having a hard time. I've lost $40,000. I still gave you $1,500. I've never given up once. I've always been here. I've always been live. I'm here for everyone, and I won't go anywhere because a majority of people want to support what we're doing. Anyway, Bill, PayPal money awaits if I'm right. Yeah, exactly. He never claims it. But people are lazy. All they want is something for nothing. Human nature in today's society. Yeah, it breaks my heart. Actually, it breaks my heart that everybody wants something for nothing. I'm amazed. I'm amazed. Maybe I should just spend more time doing my music. I've given up my music channel to promote this channel. Also remember, Martyn, literally no one will care as much as you about your channel as you do. Someone told me the same once about my business, and it's true. Don't take it personally. It's just human nature. But it upsets me, 22. It upsets me because that part of human nature is unpleasant. I said yes. Flutter Edit said I said yes. Ed Nevius said I said yeah. Donald Trump, yes here. Keaton, yes. I said yes. I said yes. Jeffrey Diamond, say it again. I was in yes. Thank you, Bill. Donald Trump Jr. 2024. I've no idea what that means. Yes, but really don't want the money. I would donate it. Exactly. Do that. I put no because I'm not here for the money. I have not been here during any of the giveaways recently. I'm here for the family. And you might, not for free money. Okay, it's interesting. And Ali Isles is extremely supportive. He came to our convention in Cornwall. You couldn't get more support than Ali Isles. Ali Isles is right up there. Martyn Keaton S is in the chat and in the Discord. Welcome. I said yes, Mike. Yes, I would. Okay, we've got a guest in our. I also put no because I'm not here for any amount of money. When I come here, it's clearly that it's clearly that respect, Mr. Lucas. Thank you, Drillian. I appreciate that. Very nice of you. Shifter Stephen. Good evening. All right, Keaton. Yeah, I saw him earlier. Eric. Yes, I saw him earlier, and I've updated his name. Eric. Thank you very much indeed. This is Eric, by the way. If everybody wants to welcome Eric into the chat, here is Eric. Here is, sorry, Keaton S. Here he is. If you want to go, guys, if you want to welcome Keaton S, he's just arrived in the Discord. And come on in. Let us know, welcome Keaton S in. I can't upgrade him to a membership yet. So it's a membership thing. Just so we had this, we decided the other day, we had a little vote. And we decided that I'm only going to accept friend requests from members. That way we don't have anyone coming on who is a scammer or a bot, and then everyone friends that person and that person contacts you. So from now on, I'm only friend requesting or accepting friend requests from members. That way to try and protect you from the scammers. Okay. I'm not bothered about the prizes, money or prize. I come here because I enjoy your stream and the people. I'm not sure how that's hurtful or offensive. It's not 22. You provide a massive service to my channel. I just got emotionally upset there when I said to you, if I did this for $10,000, would you vote? And 71%. So that's fine. So the lesson I learned from this is 71% don't want to enter, then don't. 71% don't want free money, don't. 71% don't want to like a video, then don't. That's fine. I accept that. It hurts me, but I accept it. I accept it. That's absolutely fine. And 22 is right. Not everyone will care about your show. I get that. I get that. I get that. I know as the world piano man, as I put on shows around the world, I realized that I cared more about my music than everybody else. And that makes sense because for them, it's merely entertainment. For me, it's my life. I get it. You choose to watch this. There are 1,000 things, 1,000,000 things you could watch. It's an honor that you are here. But it's just entertainment for you. For me, it's my life. So of course I feel more passionate about it. I understand that. So I apologize if I got a little bit emotional. And that's fine. If most of you don't want to enter the competition, don't. If most of you don't want to like or leave a comment, don't. That's fine. And I see that because only 10% of my, less than 10% of my YouTube subscribers are followers on Twitter. That's fine. You don't all have to do it at all. No one has to do it. It's my choice to put it out there. It's your choice to like it or don't. So I accept that. And I apologize for getting a bit emotional. So I'll end the poll now. And if you don't want to enter, then don't. Okay, that's fine, isn't it? It's a long story, but I can share something that happened 2 years ago, 4 months ago, when I was in May or June. It's very unsettling and has me on the distress mode. What's that, Bill? Thanks, Eric, and welcome. Thanks for the welcomes. I'm only here for Piano Man, Ali Isles. I know that, mate. Thank you. I didn't also understand the question. Dual Vosselo, no problem, mate. At all. I think that we all like being here on the show. The prizes are great, but the family we have is even better. I agree, Mike, with that 100%. I said no, but I meant I would like for zero. I don't need money to help to grow your channel. Thank you, Dewal Voslu. Thank you. Agreed. And also remember that not everyone has Twitter or Instagram. That's correct. Not everyone does. That's correct. They don't, and they don't have to have it. They don't have to have it. Absolutely right. We're just giving people the opportunity to, take part. All right, I'm going to wrap up the show. I've got to go and see if I can get my computer fixed because there's something definitely wrong. It didn't used to be this bad. It has slowed down. I'm going to have a good old shout at Apple this afternoon and go, oi! This is the most expensive Mac I could buy 3 years ago. Are you telling me I can't run 2 screens and 2 cameras and everything is stuttering? It shouldn't be like that, should it? So anyway. Takes 2 minutes to set up an Instagram or Twitter. Yes, it does. But everyone has the choice. They don't have to do it. I'm fully appreciate that. Anyway, let me change the screen a minute. Right. We got Day Trader of the Day. I love the Giveaway Friday. It's what made me find the channel initially. It's a lot of fun. Anyway, some people like one thing, some people like the other, and that's great. Look at it the other way. The viewers are here because of you and not because of prizes or incentives. I know, and that is a great honor. I know that. It's a positive. You're right, 22. You know me, I just get emotional sometimes, and I've asked you before, that's what you want. You don't want me to be CNN News, Fox News, CNBC, just going blah, 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 blah. You never see the real me. We've discussed that, and you said you want that. You didn't just, if you wanted that, real, hard investing, trading, facts, you watch CNBC. You watch Yahoo Finance. That's not what you watch. You're here for the family, so you get my emotions. It's what you said you wanted. So you got it. Take it or bloody leave it. Anyway, Ali Isles. The problem is we can only talk to you via writing and things get misread. My interpretation of something will be different to everyone else. Don't take things personally. No, you're right, Ali Isles. And as I said before, Ali Isles came to our convention. He drove all the way down from wherever he lives to come. I know the support that we have. I know that. Imagine a poll. Would you watch if I didn't give away prizes? No, LOL, much worse. Imagine a poll. Would you watch if I didn't give away prizes? Yeah, exactly. That would be really bad. I literally, if I don't give you $10 every day, would you watch? No, we only watch for the $10. You're absolutely right, 22. Lawyer called me and said, the cause of the accident admitted liability, and if I release the other two in the accident, if I cap it at 1 million tops and negotiate from there. Sorry, Bill, it's a little bit out of context. I'm not quite sure where we're going with that. Sorry if I don't understand. But you never destroyed a chair. On the show. I don't think I have, no. That's right, Ali Isles. Sometimes joke but gets taken the wrong way. But I'm serious about the mug. I'm serious about the bloody mug. Yeah, do the poll, that 22 said. I think that will cheer you up. I don't need to. I know the answer to that. I don't need to. I know the answer, and I'm not going to be needy to do that. I don't need to do the answer. I know the answer. I just got a bit carried away there. Anyway, I think we're done. Let's do day trader of the day. Let me go into the broadcast lounge. And Ali Isles, did you want to talk about anything today? We mentioned it this morning, so perhaps tonight we don't need to. After Italians go up, the space will go up, I reckon. I am here for the family and to help others and watch your channel grow, says Stephen Lewandowski. Thank you, mate. Appreciate that. Right, here's my overall portfolio. Have we ended up? Now, folks, we're not here on Friday. The markets are closed on Friday. For Good Friday. No markets on Friday. I'm back on Monday. So tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, the last show. So we will do, the newsletter will come out on Sunday, as always, never missed. The giveaway will be on Monday for the first Friday of the month, which is the Twitch giveaway on Monday. There's no show on Friday. We can't be here. The markets are closed. Did it not show you my Prime thingy on Twitch? Keaton S. Let me have a look. Twitch. Yes. Hang on a minute. I have 5 subscribers, so you must have subscribed. Hang on, let me refresh the screen somewhere. I've got 5 subscribers. I had 4 this morning, so I'm assuming so. It doesn't tell me yet. I'll just refresh the screen. I just slay the bots. That's my personality. Yeah, Mike, you've slayed me as well. That's why you can't see my comments. You've slayed my comments. I don't know how you bloody manage that. I really don't. Anyway, I could get somewhere. I could get some where after negotiations get up to $1 million, more like less but six figures somewhere, Bill. Okay. Sorry, Bill. I'm not fully in context with where we are. Apologize for that. Think of all the drones you could buy for $1 million. Why does he want so many bloody... Yeah, ahoy, it's me. There we go. Here's Novo Keto. I'm just trying... There we go. I see it now. Yes, Novo Keto subscribed with Amazon Prime. Yes, there we go. Let me put it on the screen. Thank you very much indeed. Here we go. Novo Keto. If you look up here, look. There you go. 5 subscribers. I had 4. And there you are. Right at the top. Thanks for the follow. And thanks for the subscriptions. So we normally do it on the first Friday of the month. There is no show on Friday. So it'll be on the first Monday. That's the only way we can do it. And don't forget, if you're watching me on Twitch, you need to downgrade the quality because I stream in 4K and it doesn't like it. All right, just to let you know. I have my eye on Ali. I have my eye on Ali tuning. I have my eye. There you go. Bill's got his eye on you. Mike, I know I can't get it back either. I know, and I can't get it back. I don't know what you... What did you do? How did you ban me? How could you possibly ban me from the channel? I really need a crystal ball this week. Okay, let's do it. Here we go. Crystal ball time. This is for DeWald Vosloo. Let's have a little look. Crystal ball. Let's have a look. Is it going to show up? I'm getting issues with my Stream Deck, but I will try and get it to work. Let's see if I can get it on the screen manually, because let me try. There it is. All right, crystal ball time. Virgin Galactic. Is it going to go up? Let's look into the crystal ball. Crystal ball, tell me what is going to happen with Virgin Galactic. Crystal ball, what is going to happen with Virgin Galactic? Well, I think next week, if we get some good news, we could see a little pop on Virgin Galactic. Will it return to all-time highs? Not in the next 6 months, I don't think. I think what will happen in the next 6 months, we'll get a little pop. People who've lost a lot of money will try to shave off and take money off the table, lower their averages, and it will keep bringing the price down. We know that Virgin Galactic want to dilute and raise money. We know people have lost money on Virgin Orbit. We know those people will try to get their money back out of Virgin Galactic when it pops. So it might go up maybe to 455 and go straight back down again. That's what the crystal ball's telling me. I hope it was good news for you. But yeah, that's where I see it going, I'm afraid. Not really great, is it? It's not what you wanted to hear. Not really. Bye all. Tomorrow morning closing. Chin up, Martin. Thank you, Ali Isles. Pleasure, Keaton S. Thank you. I'm rebranding Twitter and Instagram coming soon. Discord improvement. Hope I get some support from here. Also fine if I don't. That's the comment of the day. That's the comment of the day. I like it. Hope I get support, but it's okay if I don't. Right, that's it. That's what you got to remember, Ali. Sinzay. That's what I got. That's what you got to remember. Sure you will, Ali. No, what do you mean? If you all start liking his bloody Discord and Twitter and Instagram and Facebook, there's going to be hell up. I'm telling you that for nothing. Hell up, Andrew Grady. I'll get the flipping Campbell Massive out on you. I'll try to support you, Ali Tizro. Do a video of what you're doing with that real video to use later in breaking news. Do a video of you doing that with the real crystal ball to use later in breaking news. Thank you, Bill. It's a great idea. Great idea. I'm trying to set it up in the studio. Yeah, Bill sent me a real crystal ball, by the way, and I'll try and do that. Anyway, okay. Day trader of the day. Day trader of the day. Let's look at my positions. Where are you? Where am I? Where's everybody else? Here we go. This is our overall position. Oh! Oh, what is going on there? J&J. Oh my gosh, J&J is pumping. They must have released the news about the split. Flipping heck, look at J&J. Breaking news. What is going on? This must be, they've released the news on the split. Oh my God. Exclusive considers refilling talc liability bankruptcy after appeal court 2 hours ago. Look at this. Breaking news now. Look at, there will be, Ali, I won't support if you don't give a price. Look at this. Oh my gosh. That will absolutely pump my portfolio. 49,308. Look at that, folks. It's going up 3.53, 164. There we go. Look at this, guys. Absolutely brilliant. J&J, we can see it in my overall portfolio. I'm still down 1.35 in my overall portfolio, but here on my Roth IRA, I'm so excited I can't contain myself. Been planning for this for ages. I'm now finally up 2.48. Look at that go. Now I can trim off the top if I want to, take some profits for a pullback. That's exactly what I can do. I'm up now, $220 today. Look at that on J&J. That is a huge bounce. J&J is a 0.5% up one day, next week down 0.5%. Very, very steady growth. And it's just exploded. That's 4.5% in a day. That is absolutely massive. Let me check the news, why that is, what is going on. We need to look at this. We've got to end the show right now, but that is absolutely huge. J&J, I've been digging the ditches now, digging the ditches for the longest of times. But there you go. Finally, some news. 3.24. Mike is saying sell. I should probably sell some because I finally managed to get a bounce. Let me go over to my main screen. It wouldn't do me any harm at all to take some profit off the table and then buy back. Let me have a quick look. J&J, let me have a look. Continue. J&J, let's have a little look. I'm up to trim off the table to buy some back. My average is at 160. It's falling back. It's falling back now. It's a little bit too late. It's a little bit too late. I'm only up 1.87. But 160. It's still literally $100 away from where I think it's going. I think it's going up another $100 from here. Get that money. There's no point on my brokerage account, but on my Roth IRA, I could sell and take some off the top. No question about that. Let me have a look. A limit order. It would be a limit order. Let me have a look how I would do it. Be 160. You can't do a stop loss now. 163. My average is 160. 163. So it would sell there, and I've got. I could sell 30 shares. I could sell 10 shares, something like that. And catch the pullback. It wouldn't take much to get it to go below my average cost. Good for the day. Shall I sell some? Good for the day. Let's have a little look. Allowed to execute in the after hours. Review. 163. So it will sell there. It went as high as 100 and... Let me have a look at it. 100 and... Come on. 164. 163.30. 160.10. Review the order. My Roth IRA, I'm up and I could trim some back. Review the order. Shall I sell? What did everyone say? 163. It's popped up. Finally popped up. Take some money off the table. Sell. And oh, I can't believe it. It's done a flipping password check. It's done a password check. Damn it, it's done a password check. Oh, flip, when I have all the times. Of all the times to do a password check. Chart videos, let me put you over there. Let me stay logged in for 30 days. Continue. Let me do a quick check. Let me do my authentication. It's still holding. It's still holding. It's still holding. Let me do. So let me put my codes in. Continue. 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 Flipping out. How annoying. I hate this sometimes. This security checks. You can't do that when you're trying to trade. Okay. It's going slow. The computer's going slow. The computer's churning. Computer's churning. Placed. Sold. Done. I took some profits off the table. There we go. Finally made some money. Finally made some money. Okay, that's a really good bounce. That's a really good bounce. I took some profits. Okay, it's now 38% of my portfolio. It was like 47% there. I took some money off. And flipping heck. So, where are we now? Let me look at my history. 10 shares at 163.15. See? My average, look at this, look, 151. 10 shares at 163.15. There's no day trade issue there. That's profit. That's good. It's now 38% of my portfolio. Excellent. Excellent. I've now got 3,300 in my Roth IRA. That's brilliant. That is brilliant. And now you have some buying power in your IRA. Yep, I do. There you go. 49,300. There we go. Protected, safe in the bank. 49,300. We've made a really good profit there. We've trimmed back. We've made real profits. We didn't sell the brokerage position. We sold the Roth IRA position. I've now got in my Roth IRA 2,000. Hang on, how much have I got? Yeah, $3,455. Pending orders 1177. So we're looking for it to buy it back. But that's great. That's great. I want to ask everybody, do you think that was a good idea? We know that J&J can go up. We know it can go up to 250. That's what I've been saying for ages. However, to go from -4 to +2, it's a 6% swing. All I did was reduce my 30 shares down to 20 shares. It's still 38% of my Roth IRA. Still 38%. But now, when it drops, I can buy because my average cost was 160. My average cost was 160. So if it goes back down to 150 or anything like that, I can do it. Buy it back again. That would be awesome. Right. So let me have a look. Now you can have some real buying power. Nice one, Malk. Congratulations. Thank you very much indeed, says Malk Mike. Now you have real power. Get rid of that point. Why? Is that your OCD? Is that your OCD bothering you? Nice. How can you sell after market? You can trade until 7 o'clock after hours with Robinhood. Peter, where are you in the world? Where are you in the world, Peter? Let me know where you are, and I might have some free stocks for you and some free Bitcoin. Tell me where you are, and I might be able to help you with that very thing. Okay. J&J will pay 8 billion. Stock is rising. J&J will pay 8 billion. Stock is rising. It's going to settle out of court. Is it? It's going to settle its talcum powder situation. That's great. Take some profit off the table, but get it to buy back. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, I'm excited. Finally, I made some money. Bloody hell. Oh, from Birmingham. Oh, you did tell me before. Yes. No, unfortunately, it's down to your brokerage. Robinhood allows me to trade until 7 o'clock in the evening. Every brokerage is different. There are brokerages in the UK that do allow it, but I don't support them, so I can't tell you about them. So sorry, I can't help there. But I can give you $10 of Bitcoin. In fact, I'll do it now. If anybody wants free Bitcoin from me, it's very, very easy to do. And this is how I predict you can make $300. If you want to make $300 with Bitcoin, this is how you do it. I will give you now my referral. This is global. Anywhere in the world you can use this. Right? All you've got to do is use my referral. I'll give it in the chat right now. Here's my referral. And you will get... Here we go. Paste. There's my Coinbase referral. If you set up Coinbase with my referral, you will get $10 of Bitcoin. All you've got to do is put $100 worth of crypto. So what I suggest you do, this isn't financial advice at all, but this is what I am doing. Put $100 worth of USDC, which is a stable coin. It's $1 for one coin. And 4%, in the UK, it's only 1%, I believe. In the US, it's 4%. And 4%, get the $10 of Bitcoin and hold it forever. Forget you've got it. If Bitcoin, as predicted, goes to $1 million, which it could well do, you then hold it, and your $10 will be worth $350 for doing absolutely nothing. Just using my referral, holding it, and forgetting it. Simple as that. All right? That's what I would do. Anyway, there you go. So, now in my Roth IRA, I have some money available. Okay. Now then, let me look at the news. Why did it go up? 3 hours ago. This is the news. This is the news now. Let's open up the news so we can share it with everybody what's going on. They finally got some decisions. I have just a few shares in J&J. So all I've done is taken some money off the table. When you get a 6% swing when you've been losing money, we know that J&J is worth $250. So you might go, well, why did you sell? Well, it's still 38% of my portfolio. I can now buy the S&P, and I can spend some decent money there. I just made, how much did I sell? $1,500. Yeah, $1,500. This is the news. Has it loaded yet? Not yet. Okay. I've got to get out of here. I've got to go to see if I can get my computer fixed. Here we go. Here is the news. J&J. Exclusive J&J considers refiling talc liability bankruptcy after appeals court defeat. Johnson & Johnson's exploring the idea of placing a subsidiary shouldering tens of thousands of talc lawsuits into bankruptcy proceedings for a second time, despite a January federal appeals court decision invalidating the so-called Texas two-step legal maneuver, according to a court filing and 4 people familiar with the matter. A J&J lawyer tasked with settling about 40,000 lawsuits alleging the company's iconic baby powder and other cosmetic talc products cause cancer has approached plaintiffs' lawyers in recent weeks. The lawyer has processed the two sides craft an agreement to resolve the litigation, which would then be consummated after the J&J subsidiary refiles the bankruptcy, the people said. Some plaintiffs' lawyers have signed confidentially agreements to discuss the idea, one of the people said. In a court filing on Tuesday, lawyers representing a creditors' committee of talc plaintiffs said that recently became aware of discussions about a J&J subsidiary bankruptcy after the committee is responsible for representing the interests of all talc claimants. It must now advise the court and the public that Johnson & Johnson and or its affiliates has threatened a second bankruptcy filing. Okay, that's what's the news. That's what the news is. This could go back down again, in my opinion. This could go back down again right now. So I am glad I took the profit. I trimmed off the top. I've now got still 39% of my portfolio in J&J. It's still a very big position in my portfolio. I've made some money. I've made some profit. And that is great. That is great. Now I can just sit back, let it go down again, buy it back if I want to, or I've got plenty of funds on hand now, plenty of funds on hand to buy something else. My Roth IRA is, let me have a look. It's nearly got back, nearly all the money I lost with Virgin Orbit. That's how it can all turn around really, really quickly, can't it? All right, but I've secured my money. There's my Roth IRA. One day popped up, week, it's up on the week, but you can see it's still down on the month. We're slowly getting it back from what we lost with Virgin Orbit. The overall position is still down 6%. But I've got now 2,000, in fact, more than that. I've got $3,445 available to spend on dips. So $1,700 is already placed. So what we'll do now is we'll leave that there. And if J&J does drop down below my average, I can do it again. Anything below 160, even though I bought it originally at 150, I can lower my average from 160 now. I've already made my profit, so I can lower it. Anything under 160 would be great. So, you know, anything doesn't have to be all-time low anymore. Just below 160 to lower my average would be great. But ideally now, I did the same thing with Apple. I trimmed off the top once, took my profit, then I was done. So we're going to end the show now. We've just gained some more subscribers, 7,105. That's cool. Just rolled around. Day trader of the day. Let's get out of here. I've got to go to Apple and see if I can fix my computer. Mike, did you get that email in the end? Of course, but we know who it is. We can always track down the winner, so it doesn't matter. I mean, the fact that we can contact you on the show, make a video, we can track you down even if you don't get your email. It doesn't really matter, does it? Anyway, Ali Tizro, are you on the phone to call in? Am I a member then now? Keaton S, you are not a YouTube member. No, you don't have a badge. You are a member on Discord, but you're not a YouTube member. You only get the public channels. If you want to be a member and get all the benefits and have a badge, I will give you the membership link. Here is, if you wish to be a member, 95% of our live viewers are members, with the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. The average is 8 to 9%. 95% of our live viewers have got badges. Can you see that? This is the membership. And you don't just get upgraded on Discord. You get happy birthdays. I will answer all your questions. I will make videos for you. You have polls. You can buy my NFTs at special prices. You can get invited to our parties. You get exclusive content, members-only live chats, members-only videos. The list goes on and on and on. Bronze, silver, gold, sponsorship, or investor level. You can be a member for a couple of bucks a month if you want to be. And, I thought because I subscribed with Prime on Twitch. Oh, no. You subscribe for free using Amazon Prime Gaming. That enables you to be in our first Friday of the month cash giveaway, right? I give away the money I make in subscriptions for free. Okay, that's free. If you want to be in our over $1,000 giveaway, you don't have to be a member for that. It comes out on Sunday. It's in our newsletter. Here is our newsletter. That's free as well. But if you want to be a YouTube member, you can be a member from just a couple of bucks a month. And could all my members, should Keaton S be a YouTube member? Should he be a member of the family? Everybody tell him why you're a member. There you go. There's the email to our weekly newsletter. It's free. And right, gotcha. Okay, he's got me now. And there are many, many perks. My members will say you get 20 times back what you put in. That's the idea. I want it to be the best for you. Okay. All right. Did we do day trader of the day? Let's do day trader of the day. I am down 0.18 and then I've got to go. See if I can get my computer fixed. Down 0.18. I'm at 1.3 on my Roth, but it's not the Roth, is it? It's the main portfolio. That is what we're talking about. All right. 0.18. Down 0.18%. There you go. Okay. Finally made some money. Bloody hell. It's been going on forever, isn't it? That's a hell of a relief, isn't it? Right. I'm a member because I was promised a mug. Don't listen to Andrew Grady. He talks rubbish. He's from Cornwall. Don't listen to him. He wasn't promised a bloody mug at all. Right, here we go. Down 1.9. DI Murray. I'll do a poll here. You know how bullish I am on J&J. Was I right to... Was I right to... Oh, by the way... Keaton S, if you become a member, I also upgrade you on Discord. Was I right to trim J&J? There you go. Was I right to trim J&J? Yes or no? I'd like your opinion. Okay. Was I right to trim J&J? Okay, here we go. Down 1.9%. Down 0.18. No bloody idea, says Andrew Grady. I've only gotten 19%, 19 times back on my membership. Dr. Murray, Virgin Orbit, calls out company. Yes, I've read that. Company leadership. It is. We talked about the presentation for the report. It was terrible. We've got another lady here, another guest. It's possible. We've got a guest here from Korea. I think that's Korea. Let me do this for you right now. We've got a friend from Korea. I've got to go in a second. Let me do this now. Welcome our guests from around the world and Korea today. Let me play this for our guest here. We've got someone, I think, from Korea. There we go. Yes. Five out of 5, 100%. Absolutely right. Oh, I feel good. So first of all, I've made any money for ages. I think J&J could pop back down again. I didn't sell it all. I sold a third of my share. I had 30 shares. I sold 10. And I only sold it on my Roth. I didn't sell it on my brokerage account because remember, my brokerage account is still out with the money. Only just, but I don't want to be selling when I'm down, right? The documentary all about Virgin Orbit Cornwall launches on UK TV in May, I believe. Yes, thank you. I am from Korea. Yes. That's the highest I've ever been. I think, didn't we get to 49.5? So considering I've lost all my money on Virgin Orbit, I'm really chuffed with that. Anyway, right, I'm off to count my silver in my dark room, like Gollum. All right, okay. I've got to go. Thank you ever so much. I'm off to the Apple store, see if I can get my computer fixed. Let me do, what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say, let's roll the credits. Let's see if I can roll the credits. J&J popped up. It's not continued going. Would I mind if it carries on going? Well, of course, there's always that little bit of, if I held off. Doesn't matter. I took a profit from it. If it now drops, I can buy it back. It's only got to go down to 160 and I can buy it back again. I've made money on it now, so if it drops down below 160, that's my average. I can lower my average and bring it down, and I've got money to do it, and that would be great. Absolutely great. Anyway, we shall see how it all pans out, right? Good. Let's roll the credits. We might have some credits today. I'm not sure. Let's have a little look. Roll the credits. See you all in a bit. Oh, who was the winner? Who was the winner? Flipping out, I forgot. Who was the winner? Down 1.9, down 1.8. I'm the winner today. I am the winner. Sensei gave me a super chat. Sensei, are you available for a chat in a minute? Are you available for a chat? Sold is sold, Martin. You carry on with other stocks. Yes. Sold is sold. Absolutely right. 12 votes. 67% said I'm right. Okay, I'm out of here. Thank you very much indeed. Hopefully we can get the computer fixed tomorrow and have more of our original production, the sound effects and everything else. Right now it's all a little bit difficult, right? Don't know why it's getting slower and slower. Sold is sold. You're absolutely right. I'll see you all back in the morning. Thank you for being here. And Sensei, are you available in the chat? Are you available to call on Discord in a minute? Let me see if he's still here. Let me see if Ali's still here. Ali Tizro we're talking about. See you in the morning. Sensei, is he here? Yes, he's here. Are you free after? Okay, I've got to go. Have a good one, everyone. Okie dokie. I'm out of here. Can't do the sound effects, but there we go. I will see you all back in the morning. That's it. Let me end the poll. We got 53% say yeah, 47 say no. I'm going to end it right now. I'm happy with that. That was the right thing to do. See you, Eric. Okay. See you all back in the morning. Hopefully we get my computer fixed and it won't cost me $6,000. But hey, I've got a bit more money than I had before now, right? Okay. LOL, buy it, sell it, buy it back, flip it into options, scalp, profit, and buy it back. What exactly does that mean? Anyway, Ed Nevius, thank you very much indeed for your tip. Not quite sure what that means, but it sounds great. Sounds very good. All right, guys, see you all back in the morning. Until then, take care of your money. Take care of your crypto. But most importantly, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now. See you back in the morning. Have a lovely evening. Bye-bye for now.